What is Kapalbhati? Kapalbhati literally means skull shining. Kapalbhati is often tossed into the Pranayama group, but in reality, it is considered a cleansing technique instead of a breathing technique. Kapalbhati is also part of the 6 Shatkriya for bodily cleansing, and it focuses on cleansing the respiratory system. This lung cleansing technique is also very similar to the Bhastrika Pranayama, internal science. Kapalbhati focuses on continuous forced exhalations and uses the diaphragm to uplift settled particles, then excretes it from the lungs. Air is full of particles and microbes that settle in the lungs. Kapalbhati is the tool that allows the cleansing of the alveoli, aiding it to intake more oxygen. For this reason, it is important to practice Kapalbhati strictly through nostril breathing because it filters air before entering the lungs. Mouth breathing does not filter air. Lastly, cleanses the respiratory system from phlegm and mucus. Effect on blood. The abdominal muscles aids the diaphragm in a rhythmic movement, acting as a blood pump. This rhythmic movement pushes blood to rapidly circulate the body, aiding it in clearing blockages in the respiratory system, cardiovascular system, and nervous system. This rapid movement of blood actually burns glucose, sugar, activating the veins and arteries just like Bhastrika breathing. For this reason, practitioners may feel hyperventilation, shortness of breath, dizziness, or lightheadedness with overpractice. This burning of glucose is beneficial for people with diabetes who have trouble producing insulin in the body. The increase of exhalation introduces carbon dioxide in the blood, which has its benefits. The carbon dioxide also increases focus and creates the bright glow effect when blood reaches the brain. The increase of carbon dioxide in the blood can be thought of as the first stage in anaerobic exercise. Bhastrika is very similar, but the difference is Bhastrika Pranayama introduces rich oxygen to the blood. Effect on organs. The science behind Kapalbhati influences multiple areas of the body beyond what is said. Our stomach is considered our second brain, so it has a big influence on our moods and feelings for the day or week. The engagement of the abdominal muscles and diaphragm massages the digestive organs, releasing energy blockages, gases, and aiding bowel movement. Combining the scientific benefits, it results in increasing positive energies like love in the body. This effect aids in relieving depression. Benefits of Kapalbhati. Let's make it clear. Kapalbhati is good for 1. Diabetes, 2. Depression, 3. Constipation, 4. Indigestion, 5. Insomnia, 6. Asthma, 7. Removal of phlegm and mucus, 8. Increase focus, 9. Increase energy. Guidelines for Kapalbhati. This lung cleansing technique is divided into 3 parts depending on the health and age of the practitioner. 1 stroke equals 1 exhale. Mild strokes, 1 stroke, 1 per second. If the practitioner has a heart condition or 68 years old or above, 1 stroke every 2 seconds, no more than 10 strokes per session, then relax. Medium strokes, 1 stroke per second, 20 strokes per session, then relax. 3. Fast strokes, 2 or 3 strokes per second, 30 strokes per session, then relax. With practice, increase your strokes up to 100 strokes or more per session. How to practice Kapalbhati. Sit comfortably with hands on hips to aid extension of the spine upright. Bring your awareness to your abdominal area and inhale deeply, filling up the belly with air. Using your abdominal muscles, push the belly inwards and up towards lungs. Notice how air automatically exhales from the lungs, and notice the passive inhale when releasing the inwards belly. This is the true nature of Kapalbhati. Continue this until you complete the number of strokes based on your personal capability. In between sessions, 2 to 3 sessions, practice the 8 qualities of breathing or Ujjayi breath to allow the body to reset, then repeat. In conclusion, Kapalbhati is not a pranayama, but in fact, a cleansing technique. Kapalbhati as a lung cleansing Shatkriya stimulates 4 systems: respiratory system, vascular system, nervous system, and digestive system. Kapalbhati is definitely a practice I recommend to put into your daily routine, or at least a few times a month. This technique has the power to maintain balance in the body on physical, mental, and spiritual levels. If you want to further improve your Kapalbhati, check out my blog post at thehealingitinerant.com. I hope this video was of some help on your journey to master Kapalbhati and, more importantly, yourself. Thank you.